In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make 2 at a time half square triangles. I have my 2 pieces of fabric, and they're very similar, but one has kind of a blue tone and one has a pink tone. And I am simply going to turn one onto the wrong side and draw a line from corner to corner. So I'm going to put one on this corner and then on that corner, and I'm going to just draw a line down the center. So you can see my line here. Now I'm going to take my 2 squares and I'm going to put them right sides together with the fabric with the line on top. And I'm going to stitch a 1/4 inch on each side of that line. So I'm going to stitch a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch here. Okay, so it might be a little hard to see because I used a white thread, but I stitched a 1/4 inch from each side of that line. And my next step is going to be to cut this, and I'm going to line up my ruler along that blue line, and I'm going to cut on the line. And when I pull those apart, I have 2 half square triangles. And then these are made slightly bigger than what I need, so I will trim so that that cuts off these little dog ears and makes them nice and squared, because you can see that they aren't perfectly squared yet. So I will trim them and iron them, and then I will have my 2 at a time half square triangles. All right, so they have been pressed and trimmed, and so there you have it, 2 at a time half square triangles.